ignore my bonnet. Just listen to the song, okay? Draw me close to you. Never let me go. I lay it all down again to hear you say that I'm your friend. You are my desire. No one else would do. And nothing else can take your place. And feel the warmth of your embrace. Help me find my way and bring me back to you. Oh.